Today we're making Greek coconut cake. Very moist, very fluffy, and a little bit zesty. Start the syrup, 2 cups water, 2 cups of sugar, get 1 lemon, cut him the skin, put him aside, squeeze the juice in here, 5 cloves, and 1 Greek cinnamon stick. Turn him on the gazi, mix him up, bring him boiling, couple minutes. Turn him off, and leave him cool down. Get 6 eggs, separate the white, put the yellow, 1 bowl. Add inside 250 grams Greek yogurt. How nice the Greek yogurt. 2 teaspoons vanilla, the skin the lemon, add inside 250 grams melted butter. Now mix him all up. Get this one, put inside 2 cups flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Now shake him and put him inside. 2 cups of coconut, little bit salt. Now combine everything properly. In another bowl, add the white of the egg, 200 grams sugar, get 1 machine and mix him up till it's creamy like this. Now put him inside of him and slowly keep folding him till it's done. Get 1 dish, pay him some butter, put a little bit flour at the bottom. Now put him your mix inside the dish. Spread him so it's nice and even, little bit top. We do a stavro. Now put him in the oven, 160 degrees Celsius. 40 minutes, she's golden brown and she's smelling beautiful. Get your stick. Put her some holes, put the cold syrup, the hot cake, and leave her siesta half an hour. Take off the cloves of cinnamon, get some more coconuts, and fix her up nicely the top. Cut her up, have one check. She beautiful the inside. Little bit big one. She's bloody beautiful, mate.